And now we are going to rewrite the sentences about the robberies using the words in parentheses. Here we are using the third conditional and the structure with should or shouldn't. Remember, we already did this when we work with the PPTs, PowerPoint slides. So don't forget, for the third conditional, we always use would or wouldn't, have, and then the first part we use the past perfect with if. For example, this one in number 3. We are going to see. Oh, we have this. Well, I am going to write it. If, so we have he hadn't. Remember that this is an affirmative, so you write in negative. Left his address, comma, don't forget the comma, the police. I use would, but this is an affirmative, so I write in negative. Wouldn't have found him. So here I'm just using the third conditional because they say just if. But here in these sentences, they are telling me that I have to use could and I have to use might. So instead of would or wouldn't, you are going to use could, couldn't, might not. And in these ones that you just have should, it's not necessary to write if. Like this one, shouldn't. It was a mistake to write his note on an envelope. So he shouldn't have written his note on an envelope. Okay, so write your sentences. I am going to make a pause. You need to make a pause. Make a pause, don't forget. Ajá, no están haciendo pausa. Hagan la pausa para que puedan hacer. Ready? Okay. Now we are going to compare all your answers, okay? Let's check. These are your answers compared. So remember, if you use should or shouldn't, you continue with have because you are talking about the past. This is an advice, a piece of advice about the past. So compare your answers.